So if this is a tech channel, why am I reviewing this blender today? We're gonna find out. But first, let's roll that intro. What's up guys, my name is Sean, welcome to my tech channel. Today we are looking at a portable blender. The reason we're looking at it, because this is more of a gadget than a blender. It is portable, rechargeable, and you use a USB port to charge it. This blender is called CoziBot. Full disclosure, this was sent to me for a review, but I'm going to be very unbiased and give you my opinion and all the pros and cons. First, we're gonna see what's in the box. We're gonna talk about its features and specifications. We're gonna talk about some very important safety feature that is built in to this blender, and we're gonna make some smoothies. So let's open this up. So we have a very nice pouch, USB, owner's manual, and the blender itself. This is a very nice blue, I don't know what you call it, but it's kind of some sort of a light teal maybe. There it is guys. This is the CoziBot blender. So what do we get? We have the blender, an extended warranty that comes for free. We have a nice pouch, owner's manual, USB cable, and an ice tray. All right, let's talk about specs. This is a 13-ounce personal blender with 4,000 milliamp battery, and on a full charge you can get about 20 to 25 runs. Each run is about 30 seconds. Depending on the texture and smoothness you want, you may want to run it 2 or 3 times, and we're gonna test that after this. This unit comes with a sharing cup, and what's nice about this is a leak-proof blender. And this is a common problem with some of the other portable blenders out there. They actually have a silicone ring in the lid as well as the bottom, and that's how you're able to get a nice seal when you put this back together. This is a stainless steel blade. It actually runs at 18,000 RPM, and this unit is capable of crushing ice and fruit together. Now, you have to be realistic. This is still a battery powered small blender. So when you're trying to put your ice and fruit in it, the recommended size is to have them about 1 centimeter pieces. That's about ½ an inch. And that way you get the best performance from this blender. This blender is loaded with a lot of safety features. To begin with, your power button, you have to double click to start. So if you just push it once, it's not gonna run. If you push it once, you get the battery LED ring. So this comes about 75% charge. This unit has a magnetic switch as a safety feature. So if the lid is loose or is not on, when I double tap the button, it will beep 3 times and it will let you know that it cannot run. But when I try to tighten it, you will see 2 triangles that if you line them up, that's where the magnetic switch gets activated and you will be able to run the blender, and it will beep once. Let's take a listen. There you go. Now, another safety feature is if you run this without anything in it, it typically will shut off after 5 seconds, so it won't overheat. Also, you cannot run this more than 6 times in any given 10 minutes. And in order to prevent it from overheating or damaging the battery, it would stop the unit from working for another 30 minutes. So that's another built-in safety feature of this. I have one rule when I make smoothies. Just be as creative as you want to be. So I have few juices, I have some fruits, and a different flavored Greek yogurt. I'm gonna let an app decide which fruit with which juice with which fruit with which yogurt I'm gonna use for the smoothie. So I'm just gonna run upstairs, grab some ice, and we're gonna get rolling. All right, we are back and we're getting ready to make some smoothie. And we're gonna let this app help us deciding with the juice, the fruit, and the yogurt we're gonna be using. There are two ways you can load this. One, you can load it from the top, or if you close the lid, you can actually load it this way and put this back on. So I'm just gonna go this way. It's a little bit easier and it has a wider opening at the top. So we're gonna select the juice. Mango juice. So let's try to get to the fruit. Blackberries. A second fruit. Banana. Let's select the yogurt. All right, strawberry. Now get some ice, thinking maybe 6 cubes. Let's put the lid back on. There we go. Now they suggest to actually tilt this and turn it upside down when you want to start it, and you can do some mild shake to try to help get everything moving around. Double click and oh, so good. Let me get a glass cup so I can show the consistency to you guys. Cheers. So good. In the description below, I will include the link to this blender as well as the app I was using to try to have fun with the smoothie I was making. And comment down below, let me know if you guys are excited about this. This right now is selling for 35 bucks. Everybody, and I mean everybody, should have one. Whether you work out, you go camping, you got baby, you want to mix your baby food in this, you can do a lot. And the fact that it's rechargeable by USB is very, very convenient. You want to quickly mix something in your office during your break. This is gonna be awesome. So, alright guys, sorry to interrupt the video. I know I was just telling you that everybody needs to have one of these, whether you're gonna go out camping, go to the park, go to the gym, to the office, and I figured it's easier to show you than to tell you. And I was coming out to the park to have some fun. Finally, the weather was breaking out and the rain had stopped. I brought the CoziBot with me. I just wanna show you how easy it is. Double tap, let it go for 30 seconds, and that easy, I have my own smoothie on demand. So this is raspberry, blackberry, orange juice, and vanilla yogurt. It feels so good to be able to have a fresh smoothie wherever you want, whenever you want. Back to the video. As far as the cleaning goes, you can actually machine wash the cup and the glass, but obviously not the bottom because the motor is attached to it. So that one just has to be wiped down and you cannot submerge it into water. That's the only downside, but other than that, I don't know how else we'll be able to clean this. Cheers. So this was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, smack that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.